I want to quickly go over G53, okay? On your tooling page, you have G54 through 59, and those are work offsets that you can set up for your part 0 in different places on your machine. G53 is not shown anywhere, okay? G53 is the work offset for your machine, and it goes by your X, Y, and Z 0 when you home out the machine. So at any point in time, if I want to move my tool, let's say I want to send it all the way home in the Z, okay? I go to MDI, and I just punch in G53, G00, Z 0.0. And it goes to my machine Z0, okay? So you can do this in your program. You can use it any other time to send it to a position on the machine. So just wanted to explain G53 since it's not really covered anywhere.